Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just step it up, don't be scared. To my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play.
Selamünaleyküm arkadaşlar tekrardan. Bizim çiftçinin oradan konteynerleri aldık. Geri çıkmamız icap etti. Videoda gözüktü mü bilmiyorum ama bizim çekici akslar havada asılı kaldı. Çıkışın biraz rampa şeklinde olmasından dolayı bizim şeytan dingilleri bizim yukarıya kaldırma şansımız yok. O yüzden şeytan dingilleri yukarı kaldıramadığımız için şeytan dingiller üst tarafta asılı kaldı. Çekici akslar daha doğrusu. O şekilde patinaj yapmak zorunda kaldı araba. Arabanın arkasını havayla yukarıya kaldırarak şeytan dingilleri askıya almak suretiyle çıkabildik ancak. Ne yazık ki bu arabalarda böyle sıkıntılar yaşanıyor. Birçok yerde yaşıyoruz bunu zaten. Çünkü şeytan dingilleri yukarıya kaldırma ihtimali yok. Arabalar yere çok alçak olduğu için, kran kullandığımız için, daha doğrusu kran ayaklarının yere tam temas etmesinden dolayı araba biraz alçak oluyor. Alçak olunca da şeytan dingillerinin havaya kaldırılma sistemi iptal ediliyor. Çünkü yukarıdaki teker mesafesiyle klasörün arasındaki mesafe çok az. Tekerin yukarıya kaldırma şansımız yok ne yazık ki. O yüzden böyle durumlarda arabayı havalarını kullanarak önü ve arkayı yükseltebiliyoruz biz. Ama sadece arkayı yükselterek şeytan dingilleri birazcık olsun en azından, yani yükün çekici akslara bineceği şekilde kaldırarak bu problemi de ortadan kaldırmış oluyoruz. Şimdi otobana çıktık 9 numaraya. Şimdi istikamet firma